Hello friends, this is Dr. Amit Rathi, Associate Professor, Department of Kai Chikitsa, presently working in the Shri Ram Ayurvedic Medical College, which is situated in the Pratapur Bypass, Meerut. Today I am discussing over the lifestyle disorders, and to be more specific, we have discussed today like sciatica disease. And the sciatica disease is where the patient is experienced low backache, and if the same pain will be radiating into the either it may be the bilateral or either it may be the unilateral, that disease is called as the sciatica disease. And in layman language it is called as the kamar ka dard पैरों में खिंचावाना. And if you see the terminology of layman language, they have told that कमर की नसें का दब जाना, it's nothing in the form of the sciatica disease. And for that we have a very specific line of treatment for the sciatica disease in the form of the some specific therapies and some specific line of treatment in the form of the Rasayan Chikitsa. And if I am introduced some specific therapies for the low backache in the form of the Kati Basti and in the form of the some Abhyang line of treatment and in the form of like some Swedan line of treatment, in the form of like Upanaha line of treatment and some other activities. And for the Rasayan line of treatment, see in if you see the western part of the UPs and the southern part of the UPs, nobody is practicing the Rasayan Chikitsa in the line of treatment for the sciatica disease.